Survival of the fittest. It's a phrase we're all familiar with. Most people focus so much on survival that they forget to consider the fittest part. You need fresh, nutrient-dense food to thrive. Because shelf-stable food will only help you survive for a short time. The Aquatree Pureponic system was designed to turn 3 ounces of seed into 12 ounces of fresh food in just 48 hours. Although the Aquatree is small enough to fit on your countertop, recycles water so it's 95% water efficient, and only uses about as much energy as an LED bulb, it's still capable of producing 2 pounds of fresh food every day. It's tough to predict when an emergency may happen, and traditional gardening isn't dependable in urgent situations. With the Aquatree, you don't need to take the weather, pest control, or even local wildlife into account when you begin to grow. You just need to take 15 minutes to build the tree, add water, and add the seeds to the trays. That's it. 15 minutes and you'll have fresh, nutrient-dense food in a matter of days. Want to level up some of the food you already have on hand? Adding germinated beans like mung bean sprouts to your shelf-stable food will provide a boost of fresh vitamins and minerals that you and your family need to stay healthy and alert. As an added bonus, when you sprout most varieties of beans and lentils, your body is able to digest and absorb the nutrients better. With people like you in mind, the Aquatree team curated different collections of product to fulfill a variety of needs. At roughly 75 cents per serving, our Survivor Pack 450 provides 450 servings of fresh vegetables. Any additional pails of seed you purchase will drop the per-serving cost to less than 30 cents. Knowing how important longevity is for people who like to be prepared, we designed the 25-pound pails of seed to stay fresh for up to 10 years when stored unopened in a cool, dry place. Don't let yourself head into an urgent situation without a plan for one of the most important factors in survival: fresh, nutrient-dense food. To explore our bundles and choose the one that's right for you, visit our website at www.aquatree.eco/shop today.